AC machines to single phase induction motors. So here the capacitor start, capacitor run, motor. Main components: working, torque, speed characteristics, applications. This is the capacitor start, capacitor run, motor. See this one. This is the capacitor start, capacitor run, motor. See this one here. Due to the advantages with the use of capacitor during normal running and starting. A capacitor start, capacitor run motor has been developed. Here, due to the advantages with the use of capacitor during the normal running and starting, so a capacitor start, a capacitor run motor has been developed. It is similar to capacitor start induction run motor, except that the winding and capacitor remain in the circuit at all times. It is similar to capacitor start induction run motor, except that the winding and capacitor remain in the circuit at all times. Here this is shows that the CS is the starting capacitor is in series with the here the centrifugal switch is connected, and this is the running capacitor. Here this is auxiliary winding or starting winding. Here this is main winding. The auxiliary and main winding is displaced by 90 degrees. Here the supply is V and the rotor, this is the rotor. Now when the supply is given, the total current, resultant current I, in the auxiliary winding the starting current is IST, and in main winding the current is IM. This will be result in I current. This is a squirrel cage rotor. So totally this is capacitor start, capacitor run motors schematic representation. Now here this is the CR, that means it is under running. So here it is that starting torque, here capacitor start, capacitor run motor. Here this is the torque, in y axis is torque, x axis is speed. In previous cases, for starting capacitors the torque is high. In previous cases for starting capacitors the torque is high, and in running capacitor the torque is low. So this is about the So 50 to 100% of full load torque for a running capacitor. For starting capacitor, in previous cases, 3 to 400%, 3 to 400% of full load torque in previous case. So here capacitor start, capacitor run motor, the CR is this one 50 to 100% in between. This is the torque developed by the CR means here the capacitor run. So now this is torque developed by the starting capacitor. So from this here from this we can develop the torque, more torque. Here see, observe this one. At the starting and running, these two are connected. So here the torque is nearly approximately 200% of the full load torque. So that means 2 times of the full load torque. Here it is developed nearly 200% or 2 times of the full load torque. It is a combination of CS and CR, and then it is going, the speed is increases up to, it is going on, so small variation here increasing, after that small variation in the torque, after that the switching speed, that means when the centrifugal switch is off, then immediately the torque here from the running capacitor, the starting capacitor will be removed, and then immediately the running capacitor will be attained the torque, this much of torque. Then immediately it is improves the torque. Then if the speed increases, the torque goes on decreasing. So this is the torque speed characteristics. This is the torque speed characteristics. Here CR should be have the following. It should result in optimum running performance. It should be of continuous rating. CS should be of short duty rating. Capacitor start, capacitor run motor, 2 value capacitor. Here starting torque can be improved. Auxiliary winding contains 2 capacitors, one for starting, two other for running. Here the starting torque can be improved. Auxiliary winding contains 2 capacitors, one for starting and another for running. Here see, here this is the supply L1 L2, this is the input, this is a schematic diagram. Here the winding, this is the winding, this winding is main winding, and this is the auxiliary winding or starting winding. Here this is, so see here, this is the capacitors, these are the capacitors. Here 35 microfarad and 450 microfarad. This is the given this. Yes, this is the rotor. This is a schematic diagram of capacitor start, capacitor run motor. Now next, here 2 value capacitor. See here, this is 2 value capacitors. So one is 35 microd, another one is 450 microfarad, 125 VSC, and this is 370 VSC. Here both CS and CR in the circuit during starting. Here this is CS and this is CR during the circuit, during the starting. When the motor picks up speed, centrifugal switch disconnect from CS, move to CR. CR remain in the circuit during running condition also. CS is large in value. Cs is large in value and it is a of electrolytic type. CSB large value, CSB large value, and it is an electrolytic type. Now CS is permits to higher starting torque. CS is permits to higher starting torque. So CS is larger in value. CR is smaller in value. CR is smaller in value. So it is oil type. CR is smaller in value. It is oil type. So now see here. This is CS. Here a 450 microfarad is CS and 350 not 35 microfarad is CR. So this is the value of capacitors. Here reversal of rotation of capacitor start run motor. Here the input AC and this is the supply. This supply is given to this is the main winding, this one is the auxiliary winding. Here the terminals, the main winding terminals are same connected, but here the auxiliary winding terminals are connected in reverse direction, and generally this is connected to this one and this is connected to direct this one. So here they are changed, this connection is removed and it is connected to this one and this connection is connected to this one. Then immediately, so what happens here, the direction of rotation will be changed. The rotor direction will be changed. It rotating in opposite direction. Here 2 value capacitor motor disadvantages are it is expensive, so merits best performance. Starting torque high, and applications. Now applications, here the compressors are used. It is used in compressors, conveyor pumps, other high torque loads. So here centrifugal switch, it is used to take out electrolytic capacitor out of auxiliary winding circuit when the motor has attained predetermined speed, that is nothing but 70 to 80% of the synchronous speed of the motor. So now during starting period, the centrifugal switch is closed, CS and CR are connected in parallel. So total capacitance in the auxiliary winding is the sum of their values. So now CS is 10 to 15 times of CR. So the motor operates as two-phase motor from single phase supply. So constant torque is produced and not pulsating. Constant torque is produced, so not pulsating. Here by using these two, CS and CR, so it will be produce the constant torque and no pulsating torque. So they have ability to start heavy loads. They are extremely quiet in operation. So better efficiency. Here this is the better efficiency and power factor from 0.8 to 0.95. So now the summary is capacitor run motor is one of the split phase motors. One of the capacitors remain in the circuit during running conditions also. High starting torque, better efficiency, improved power factor, and this is the summary. Now thank you.